Hello data family, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about unpivot columns in Power BI. So let's start the video. So first we will load our dataset in Power BI, and for this we'll go to get data, and the data I have a dataset in Excel format, so I will select Excel workbook and I will choose my file here and open. So as my dataset is in sheet 1, so here I will select the sheet 1 and then load. It can take some time to load the dataset. And the loaded dataset will be shown here in this data field. So as you can see here, my sheet 1 is loaded here in the data field, and these are the columns. So to perform the unpivot columns, we will go to transform data here and click on transform data. It will open the Power Query editor in which we will perform the unpivot columns in our data set. So this is our data set, and it's a very basic sample data set of 100 rows only. And here you can see we have 3 columns separated for each 3 years, for year 2021, for year 2022 and for year 2023. And but we want one separate column for the year and one separate column for the sales. So here we use the unpivoting in Power BI. So for this, first we will select the columns on which we want to perform the unpivoting, and we will go to transform here, then unpivot columns here. And as you can see here, now we have 2 separated columns. One column is for the sales and one column is for the year and one column is for the sales. So, and now you can also rename the table, as I'll rename it as year and I'll remain it as sales. And I don't want these columns, this. So now you can see, I think by mistake I have deleted the sales column also. No worries, we will again perform. So yeah, this is my sales column, this is my year column, and I don't want these columns. So I'll just remove these columns. So yeah, I have removed the columns, and this is our new data set where we have the ID, name, year and sales column. So firstly, our dataset was so messy. We have separated columns for all the 3 years and separate columns for sales. And now we have the only 2 columns, one for year and one for sales. So it's a very basic sample dataset, but in the corporate field you will find a huge number of messy dataset, and at that time you can use unpivoting, and it takes scattered information of your dataset and puts it in a tidy format, and which makes it easier to find the good stuff. And we use unpivot columns in Power BI as it makes data analysis simpler, cleaner and faster, and it gets cleaner, better looking charts in our Power BI reports. So yeah, this was all about unpivoting in Power BI. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Bye bye.